whose bosom can never recover the light it hath lost, as the young bride remembers the mother she loves, though she never may see, as a sister remembers a brother. Oh, dearest, remember me. Could I be thy true lover, dearest? Couldst thou smile on me? I would be the fondest and dearest that ever loved thee. But a cloud on my pathway is gloomy, that never must burst upon thine, and heaven that made thee all blooming ne'er made thee to wither on mine. Remember me then, oh remember my calm light love, though bleak as the blasts of November, my life may prove that life will, though lonely, be sweet if its brightest enjoyment